Hello from Steve at Federal Military Parts. Today we're going to talk about the most heavy-duty hitch made for the military Humvee. As many of you probably know, we are the originators of the hitch for the military Humvee. We currently manufacture 5 different hitches, this being the most heavy-duty one out there. This is a frame hitch. It's a class 3. It's meant to tow heavy trailers like a tandem axle trailer with a 10,000 pound capacity. Again, it's a frame hitch. It mounts directly to the frame with multiple locations. You can see all the hardware here. It mounts with the brackets, all the mounting brackets that extend up toward the front of the vehicle even. You can see all the mounting holes there, as well as right here in the middle. That's the location where your pintle hitch comes through, your original OEM pintle hitch, so you can still have that in use as well. As you can see, we've got the safety chain mounts there. We've got the receiving port for a ball hitch. And over here, we've got the location where your license plate light will mount. And we've got the pre-wired license plate light, so it's a plug-and-play light. You don't have to do any cutting to mount your license plate. You don't have to cut your wiring harness. And then you can also see below that there's 2 holes for mounting your license plate. So this is a turnkey setup. No drilling is required. You do not have to drill into your vehicle anywhere, either to mount the hitch or to wire up your light. So this truly is a plug-and-play setup. Most heavy-duty hitch made you can find at federalmilitaryparts.com. Lowest price always for all of our products is at federalmilitaryparts.com. And thank you for watching.